Let's talk about fonts. Today I want to talk about style linking. And I just realized that my microphone looks like my hair. Style linked fonts are, for example, a link between a regular and a bold one. The user sees style linking as an italic button or a bold button, for example. Software like Word, Microsoft Word, for example, or in general, Microsoft Office applications. People use these bold buttons and italic buttons. And if there is actually an italic one, we can link these to each other so that it's not a fake italic and not a fake bold. Let me give you an example. Here we see Noidine Black and Noidine Black italic. Move on to the name table. The family name has Noidine Black, which is weird, right? But it's correct because the subfamily name only is allowed to have regular, italic, bold, or bold italic. Down there we see name ID 16 and 17 where it's set how we would expect it, right? So Noidine as a family name and then Black and Black italic at the subfamily name. But in case of style linking, we need to make sure that the family name is equal and the subfamily really only includes regular, italic, bold, or bold italic. Everything else would not work for the style linking. Now, there are other places as well. In the OS2 table, we have the FS selection, and there we can set some bits. The italic, bold, or regular bits are important for the style linking. In this case, we have set italic for the black italic and regular because it's like an upright linked to the italic. In case of a bold, you would also set the bold, and if you have a bold italic, you would set the bold and the italic. Another place where we need to make sure that the entries are set correct is in the head table. Here in the Mac style, we have the bold and italic information. In our case, black italic is set to italic. Again, if you would have a bold, you would set the bold. In case of a bold italic, bold and italic. When it comes to variable fonts, we can also link an upright to an italic font. If these are two separate files, we can just do it like I have shown it to you. And if we have other informations, like we want to link the bold instance to the upright regular instance, we have the stud table where we set the linking information. But the stud table is a bit more complex and probably better to have another video for that.